Hi guys, I'm back and I'm going to look at the Playmobil Advent calendar, and it's number 23 and it's hedgehogs. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!